this video is going to be with Tori. So look at those stats. They're the best Tori stat I've possibly made. So you should cop those right now. I'm gonna show you some combo that I found also. It's actually pretty broken. This guy's 2v elo too. He got a trash build though, I can tell. There you go. Then you can bait them by doing that. It doesn't work against him, it's fine. He didn't take the bait, that's actually surprising. He has no animation, I hate that. Okay, he's gonna eat that. Yep, gonna catch him in time. GG. I'm gonna try to use bazooka. Hold on. Just to show you guys that this is actually like broken. Alright. Look at my voice lagging. What is happening? Okay. Shigon into elo smash. I messed up. I messed up the M1 there, but it should work. Eyes. He's already dead now. This build is actually broken. Well, into the next match, I guess. I'm gonna use bazooka again. This shit is actually too overpowered. Where is it? There you go. So a Pika user would what's it called? That's right, every Pika user with Gravity Blade holds block. Like, I'm not even kidding. Or runs. There you go. There you go. To smash. Boom. How much damage? About 800? Damn. Poor guy. I'm gonna kill him before, yep. Already dead. I'll be reloading this shit. He's not holding block that much. Am I with a bit? There you go. Try to Shigon there. Nope, I messed up. That works. That was actually really fast. Holy shit. 0 fun. I got fun though. Oh, GG's. Alright, yeah, using that glitch, I see. Okay, damn. If you wanna cry about it, holy shit. I gotta place this shit right. Alright, this guy is a Gura, he's in crying up with glitch, like, bro, like that. Or you just run and launch it? What is he talking about? Go, can you not get both, please? And I'm me. No way, this guy is fucking crying over. What's it called? This glitch winning is the Goro is with 40 and M1. There's no way. Oh damn, bro, what? Can't even land a hit? I know. Lag. This is LA servers. I'm lagging too, don't worry about it. Alright. Boom, I fly over him. Now he's holding block because he's low HP. It's fine though. Let's smash. Where is he? Ah, what's up with him now? But how do you always land your hits? I don't know. GG's. Yeah, this guy got violated, I'm sorry. Alright, so we're fighting against this dude. He got 49 wins, should be pretty easy. I might use bazooka for this one too, hold on. Where is it? I'm dead, Zushi? I'm not a Zushi user, don't worry about it. Alright. Let's see what Phoeyu. Yes, Trident. Probably a Magu user. Black leg. Oh. This guy has no health. Oh yeah, he's a Magu user, I knew it. That. Do that. Alright. Almost. This combo, bro. Yeah, that was pretty fast. Alright, oh shit, we're fighting Escanor. Oh no, we're dead. We're dead. Why is he so fat? What is that? Yeah, he's probably a Mera with Trident. No, that's weird. Who plays Mera with Trident? The fuck? Let's see, it's Roku user. Okay. I messed up. There we go. He surprisingly didn't fall for it. He's dead. Oh my god, this is actually broken. You can, how did I do that basically? This dude got no animation, great. So I M1 3 times then what? Come on. If I can M1 him. Oh. I got ragdoll. You messed up his uplift. Mess up. Kenny has animation for once. That would be actually nice. Like it's been so much. I guess it's been like 3 updates. They haven't fixed this bug, to be honest. I waited. What? I am on me. What is he doing? There we go. That's a new thing I want to show you guys. Alright, he's already done. GG's.